Even though most users think of Excel as a number crunching application, which it is, a surprising amount of your VBA code will have to deal with character strings. In the previous movie, I showed you how to combine strings into longer strings. In this movie, I'll show you 3 functions that let you assign parts of longer strings to other variables. But before I do that, I am going to create formulas that use the functions I'm going to create so you can see how they work. First, I will find the year, and the function that I've created is called caseYear, and I will be deriving that from the value in cell A2. When I press Tab, I get the year of 2010. That is the first 4 characters of the case code. Next, I have the variety. For that, I have the oil type function. Again, we're deriving the value from A2. That is L9. That's the middle 2 characters here. And then finally, we have the batch equal batch number. Again, from cell A2. Press Enter or Tab, your choice, and we get 300, which is the batch number, and that is the last 3 digits of the case code. So now that you've seen how the code works, let me press Alt F11 and describe it in a little bit more detail. First thing you notice is that I used functions instead of subroutines so that I could return the values in a formula. The function accepts the string lookin, which was in cell A2. I get the case year by taking the left 4 characters in the string lookin. If I go back, I have the value 2010 L9 300. So I pull the left 4 characters, or the first 4 characters in this case, from that string. Next, the oil type looks in the middle of the string. Same string, it goes to character 5, and then takes 2 characters, including the one I specify. So it takes character 5 and character 6. Finally, you have batch number. It looks at the same string, and it takes the right 3 characters. In other words, this string happens to be 9 characters long, so it takes characters 7, 8, and 9. But it doesn't reverse the order. It goes from left to right, or whatever your default settings are. Having described that, I'll go back to the worksheet and do another round for you. So equal caseYear A3. Again, it pulls 2010 equals oil type A3, and batch is the batch number A3, and return. So again, we took the first 4 characters, 2010, the middle 5 and 6 characters, L9, and the batch is the last 3, 301. Manipulating strings in Excel VBA is a very useful tool to have in your bag. You can find values from strings of known length and use those strings in your work.